In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Fidelity notifications. Fidelity notifications, often called alerts, help you stay informed about your account activities. They can be delivered in various ways, such as by email, text message, or app notifications. Depending on the alert, you can customize them for price changes, trades, deposits, security activity, and much more. Let's dive into setting these up on the Fidelity website, which is the best method for comprehensive control. First, head over to fidelity.com. Once there, sign in with your account credentials. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Fidelity offers. Logging in securely is crucial because it ensures you are the only person managing your alerts. Once logged in, navigate to the News and Research section. From there, select Alerts. This is where you will find a variety of categories for different types of notifications. You will notice categories such as account balances and trading activity, cash management, price alerts, and security alerts. Each of these categories serves a specific purpose, helping you monitor different aspects of your financial activities. For example, price alerts can help you stay informed when a stock reaches a certain level, which could be critical for your trading strategies. Next, you will want to select the specific alerts that are most relevant to you. Simply check the boxes for any alerts you wish to enable, such as trade executed, deposit received, or price hit. Selecting the right alerts is important because it ensures you are informed about the activities that matter most to you. Now it's time to choose how you want to receive these alerts. You have several options: email, text message, or mobile app notifications where available. Consider your daily routine and how you prefer to receive information. Email might be best for detailed alerts, while text messages offer immediacy. Choosing the right method ensures you never miss important updates. Once you have selected your alerts and delivery methods, click Set Up Selected Alerts. This action saves your choices and activates the notifications. You should see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your settings have been successfully updated. Moving on to another important aspect, security and fraud alerts. Fidelity can automatically notify you about login attempts, password changes, suspicious activity, and card usage alerts. These notifications are typically enabled by default. However, it's wise to verify your phone and email to ensure everything is set up correctly. This step is vital for your account's security as it helps you stay alert to any unauthorized activities. A few important notes to consider. Certain alerts may only send notifications via email or text, not push notifications. The availability of push notifications can depend on the specific alert type and your device settings. To ensure you receive all notifications, make sure you enable them in both Fidelity settings and your phone's notification settings. This little bit of extra diligence can save you from missing crucial alerts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up and customize your Fidelity notifications. This keeps you informed and ensures your financial activities are securely monitored. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful guides.